you on it, everywhere will on. The light is supposed to come. But here is the case that the electrician has divided into two. You put the switch wire inside the ceiling and then drop one. That is the big problem. You leave the switch wire inside the ceiling and then drop one. And then the same switch, another switch, you put the light inside the switch wire. It's not good. So if you on it, it will return back. Neither the fire or the light will not come. It's good that we fix the main breaker. So if any fault, the breaker will trip it. It's supposed to trip out to solve the problem. So now that I'm going to the ceiling again and then see what is happening inside it and drop everything down.
Now, where is the ceiling that you are going? Because I saw that you took some of the covering out.
Yeah, that is the new wiring. They're supposed to do air condition wiring, but they refuse it. So I have to wait some little bit that I can use the cable to pass it.
Can you demonstrate it?
Yeah.
Okay. This one?
Yeah, the beginning. Everything's supposed to be in the pipe. You can see the pipe inside it. Can you see the pipe is inside?
Okay.
This pipe is supposed to be two.
Okay.
One is air conditioning, one is light.
Okay.
And then there's fan switch.
All right.
But here is the case, they do one. So we can use the air conditioning cable to the same pipe. So on this one should be, we have to put this one on the surface. So this is the trunking for air conditioning one. That is the reason why I put it. So the air conditioning wire will pass through and come.
Okay, so when would you do that? And would it be double work for you?
Yeah, it will be the double work for me. It will be the double work.
So the original people that built this building didn't do well. They didn't do the wiring well. Okay.
So I need to go inside and check it again, then drop everything.
Okay. All right. All right. All right. All right. What about this one?
Control the building.
Okay.
The wiring, everything's supposed to come here.
Mm-hmm.
In case there is a fault. This is the breaker.
Okay.
The first one, the time I was fixing the light,
Yeah.
it took it down, meaning the fault is there. I need to trace it. I need to come back and then off it and then trace the fault and do it again. Right now, first, if the light is on, you can see.
Yeah.
Off. You see the first.
Yeah.
So the later I found the problem,
Mm-hmm.
I found the fault. I just did it.
Where did you find the fault?
Because the breaker will tell you there is a fault. It
Oh.
shouldn't be going off just like that.
Okay.
Always have to be on. So if you see it trip it off, meaning something is wrong somewhere. So you have to trip it off. That is the way of the breaker. So you trip it off. So I found the fault and then I did it.
And where was the fault?
It's inside.
Inside
The
the.
ceiling. Inside the ceiling. The wire you use the cable to pass the ceiling inside.
Okay.
So everything is in ceiling. Only that you drop the cable, the place that you are going to fix the bulb, and then the switches. You see, this one is a switch. It's supposed to come down.
Yeah.
This one is the light.
Oh.
So you need to drop down.
Interesting. So one is up, one is down.
Yeah, one is up, one is down. This is the switch. This is the light.
Okay.
So you on it here. You see. Oh, sorry. You see?
So you switch it on.
Yeah. Off it.
You off it.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So this is off.
Yeah. This is on.
On right now.
Off.
Okay.
On.
Yeah.
So let's come here. If there is a problem, it's supposed to come down. You on it. It shouldn't come. Have you seen it?
Yeah.
So you on this one. Later you find a problem. You find a fault. Then you do it. You fix it. You on it. It's supposed to come. Have you seen it?
Yeah.
It's on now.
Yeah.
It's off now.
Okay.
So this one is correct. But the outside the breaker. If you on the breaker, the light will come. If you off it, the light will go. It shouldn't be that way. If you off it, everything's supposed to go off that moment. But if you on the switch, that light's supposed to come. It should be from the breaker. Breaker is the one control everything. But if you divide into two, this one solve the problem, the fault. If there is high current, the bulb it can't control it. So this one supposed to come down.
Okay.
This one's supposed to trip off. And then later you found everything, you solved everything, then this one will come back again.
Okay. All right. The thing is, if you are inexperienced, if you are not an electrician, and you are supervising, so for people like us, how would you advise us? Even though we are around, okay, but the one doing the wiring or whatever made a mistake, what would you say? Of course, I'm not the owner of this building, but what would you say? How would you advise them?
Yes, I would just advise them they should take the qualified electrician. Those people experience the work.
Okay.
Don't just give it to anybody. Just find out the one you think you know you can do the work better.
Yes.
Because it's a huge money you start with this project.
Yeah.
Find out it can go off, it can bend. So you have to find the one that you know the work, you have experience. But even if you don't have any experience, you can call him and then give you advice. Those people don't have it. As in me, I'm not around. Now you find this one difficult. You called me, I'll just give you advice. Do it like this, don't do like this, do like this. So that everything will be perfect.
Okay.
So if those people are building, I need to tell them, find that those people have experience and then qualify workers to do your work for you.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
That's the advice I'll give you to. If you want to on this one, this one is the one circuit for the socket.
Okay.
For the inside there. So if you want now, it's off.
Yeah.
If you want to on it, you just do it like this. You see, it's on.
Okay.
If you want to off it, then off it.
All the sockets.
Yes, all the socket will go off.
Okay.
And then this one too is another circuit for the socket.
Okay.
Maybe you build a hole there. If you want to on it, you just on it.
Okay.
It will come. If you want to off it, it will go off.
Okay.
This one is the circuit for the light. If you want to on it, you just on it.
Okay.
If you on the light will on.
Okay.
If you want to off it, you just off it. You don't need it again.
Okay.
And this one is the AC, air conditioning one.
Okay.
If you want to on it, you just on. The air conditioning will start to.
Okay.
If you don't want it, then this one is the main pole. This one we call single phase 2 pole.
Okay.
Right now it's on.
Oh.
It's on. If you want to off it, you just off it. The whole thing, everything will go off.
Okay.
Yes, everything will go off.
All right.
So if you want to on it again, this one is the main one. It linked to this brace. So off it, this one is on, but the light is not working.
Okay.
Because this one linked to the whole thing. If you want to on it, you just on it. Then on the light. The light will be on.
Okay. All right.
So you are done.
All right.
So you don't need it again. So you can off it.
Okay.
You can later. If you want to
Open it. You open it from there.
then you on here.
Okay. All right. All right. Thank you.
Okay.